In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark up a PDF using Microsoft Edge. This process is simple yet powerful, transforming how you interact with PDF documents. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your PDF document in Microsoft Edge. Microsoft has designed Edge to be much more than a web browser. It's also a handy tool for viewing and interacting with PDFs. Once you have your PDF open, you'll notice the annotation toolbar typically located at the top of your browser window. This toolbar is your gateway to a variety of convenient markup options. With the annotation tools ready and waiting, your next step is to choose the tool that best fits your needs. Let's start with the pen tool. If you need to make freehand drawings or write directly onto your PDF, this is your go-to option. It's exceptionally useful for adding personalized notes or sketches. You can select different pen colors and thicknesses to suit your preferences, making it a versatile choice. Next, we have the highlighter tool. As the name suggests, this tool allows you to highlight text within your document. It's an excellent way to emphasize key points or to simply keep track of information. You can choose from a range of colors, allowing you to color code your highlights for easier reference. Sometimes simply highlighting isn't enough, and you may want to add written text. In this case, utilize the text tool. This option lets you type anywhere on your PDF, perfect for adding notes, comments, or clarifications directly within your document. It's an efficient way to make additional notes without cluttering the document with handwritten messages. Of course, you might make an error or decide you want to remove an addition. That's where the eraser tool comes into play. Simply select this tool to remove any freehand annotations you've made. It's as simple as that. Your document can be as tidy or as detailed as you need it to be. Once you've chosen your tool, go ahead and annotate your PDF. Add highlights, text, or drawings as needed, whatever helps you make the most of the document. If you find that you need to add a more detailed note, you can also add comments. To do this, select the text you want to comment on, right-click and click the comment icon. This opens a comment box where you can type and save your thoughts, adding another layer of interactivity to your PDF. Finally, once you're satisfied with your annotations, remember to save your changes. You can choose to save directly to the original PDF, or use the Save As feature to create a new copy, preserving your annotations while keeping the original file unchanged. And that's it. You now have all the tools you need to effectively mark up PDFs using Microsoft Edge. It's an accessible and straightforward way to enhance your document workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy annotating!